Hi guys, Dominic IRPINO here with IRPINO Real Estate. We're back again. We have another new listing on the market. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit at 1110 West Leland in the booming Uptown neighborhood. This unit has a lot to offer. Check it out. We got 14-foot vaulted ceilings, huge open floor plan, great natural light. And come follow me while we check out this beautiful open kitchen. We have a guest bedroom right here off the kitchen. This is our guest bathroom, the very large tub and shower. And guys, check out these Brazilian cherry floors. Beautiful, laid on an angle, 45 degree. Here's our washer and dryer in unit. Plenty of closet space outside of your bedroom, so there's storage everywhere. Cool wall mat. Coming to the master suite. Large bedroom with a beautiful walk-in closet. You can have a pillow fight. Okay, come on in the master bathroom. Check this out. And the ceilings are still very tall in here. And you have a beautiful walk-in shower. Awesome, guys. So that is our tour and preview of the inside. We went live today on the multiple listing service, and this Saturday from noon to 3 p.m. at 1110 West Leland, Unit 1A, we will have our catered open house. So please join us then. Look forward to seeing you soon, and we're gonna give you another video of the roof deck and the grill deck. So